Hello listener, I am Arafat. How to configure basic Cisco router? Today I will configure basic Cisco router. If you are newbie, then follow this configure. Now I am starting configure. Okay. One packet toucher. Now I'll configure with packet toucher. Okay, I will get two router and two PC. Remember that only for beginners and newbie. Introduction of Cisco router configure. Now connect with cable. Must be router to router. Cross cable. Same PC, same device connect with cross cable. Different device connect to state cable. Okay. Now IP address 10.10.10.1/24. So 2. Okay. One 192.168.0.1/24. Okay, this here 2.1 3.1 অতএব 3 2. Okay, different interface and different IP address. Okay, this router 1, router 1, router 2, router 1, router 2. Now I'll configure router 1. Remember that there are two commands. Continue with configuration dialog, yes or no. If you are press yes, then router give the information and step by step configure. I will configure. If you are no, then iChoice, uChoice one configure, then follow the configure. Okay. So press no. enable, enable. Privilege mode. There are two modes, privilege mode and global configuration mode. Okay, Cisco axis line console from RS-232 port to router console port, and number 2 virtually line VTY like as telnet SSH. Okay, now start configure. Enable, just privilege mode, now privilege mode, and going to global configuration mode. This command configure terminal, FIGURE, configure terminal, configure terminal. Okay, now configure mode. At first change the router name. At first change the router name. Host name router 1. Okay, already changed router 1 router name. Okay, now I will configure password for router security. Must be follow that. Router security is the main. Okay, step by step configure router security for router 1. Okay, this comment line console 0. Okay, password like as Bidyut, BIDYUT. Okay, when login, if you are login, then want to password login. Already configure password configure. Then I will show exit, show running, just tap running configure, show running configure. This line console, this password create, already create. Okay, exit, want to password. Okay, enable short from EN, global configuration mode, config T, short from configuration terminal, configure terminal, config T. Okay, now configure, already finished configure, and enable password. If you are encrypted password, if you want to encrypted password, another person no hack the password. For this reason password must be encrypted, not plain text. Okay, now I configure this. Okay, enable password. enable secret like a Cisco. Okay, now I show exit, show running configure. Okay, encrypted password, encrypted. Okay, secret password encrypted. Nobody hack the password. Okay, now how to save the configure? Copy running configure, startup configure. Copy running configures to startup configure. How to save the configure? Previous time all configure, now save this building configuration. Okay, now configure mode, config terminal. If your service password encryption, this comment. Service password encryption. All passwords are encrypted. Show. Exit. Password. Enable Cisco. Okay, show running configure. অতএব show password encrypted. Okay, password encrypted. Nobody hack the password. Nobody can not hack the password. Password are encrypted. Okay, now configure VTY. Now this configure line VTY virtual. If you are login virtual, then configure mode. Config terminal line VTY 04 password Biddut. Okay, now finished the configure. Exit. Now I will configure router interface. Already secured this router 1. Okay, now configure mode, config terminal router 1 interface 00 IP address this 10.10.0.1. Okay, Interface short from FA fast Ethernet 0 by 0 at IP address at IP 10.10.0.1 255.255.255.0. Oh, mistake, sorry. Interface 0 by 0 IP at 10.10.0.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. No shutdown comment. This link up. Okay, this link up. This configure another port 01. This configure will be configure 01 192.168.0.1. Okay, this put up. Exit. Interface FA 0 by 1 IP at 192.168.0.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. No shutdown. Okay, this link up fast Ethernet 01. Okay, now configure router 2. This router shape X do WR building configuration. Okay, finish the configure router 1 and router 2. No comment. Enable short from EN for enter privilege mode, global configuration mode, config terminal short from. At first change router name. This router name how to change. Host name. Host name, router 2, already changed router 2. Okay, interface FA means fast Ethernet 0 by 0 at IP address, this IP 192.168.2.1 IP at 192.168.2.1. subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. This link up. Okay, this link up. Now behind 01, 3.1, 2.1, just 3.1. Okay, exit, interface, FA. FA means fast Ethernet. Just tap FA, just tap fast Ethernet. Okay, 0 by 1. IP address at 192.168.3.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shutdown. Command no shutdown. No shutdown. Okay. Already up. Now previous router 1 configure when I will when configured router 1, then all security create the router 2. Okay, router 1, exit, enable short from, copy, running configure to startup configure, already set. Okay, finished. Press the IP address, desktop, IP configure 192.168, sorry, IP address mistake, 10.10.0.2. subnet mask 255.255.0. subnet mask 255.0. gateway 10.10.0.1. okay, this IP address, desktop, IP configure 192.168.3.2. 192.168.3.1. okay, now ping this IP, command prompt ping 10.10.0.1. okay, replay this IP, PC to router of ping this IP. okay, if you are telnet 10.10.0.1. password BIDYUT, enable, Cisco. okay, this telnet process, Okay, update I will know discuss about discuss next topic, static router configure. Okay, this is basic router configure. Uh, Step by step configure static router. When I will configure static router and routing all of how to configure routing, and there are lot of device. Okay, but next topic this configure. Okay, next topic this configure. Okay, finished today.